Today we're going to learn how to make a lavender smudge bundle. Okay, first you're going to need your supplies. You're going to grab your dried lavender, mine is from my front yard, your hemp string, some scissors, and then any charms or crystals you'd like to add to the outside. Once you get all situated, you're going to go ahead and start. So the first thing you want to do is start gathering the pieces, and I like to make mine about 6 inches. So you're going to take the piece and start at the bottom or the top and then fold the piece in. You want these really tight. When you go to smudge, you want it to be smoke, you don't want it to just be fire. So go ahead and pack it in there as much as possible. What I also like to do is alternate so that I have some flowers and then I have some stems. And I have some flowers and then I have some stems so that they're all intermixed, and also it creates a better tight bundle when you have everything a little bit even. As you gather along, make sure that you have the right dried pieces. You don't want to use anything that isn't dried completely. You want to go ahead and put those to the side or cut off the ends that are not dry yet. You also want to cut right on the ends to make sure that everything is very even and compact. Then just keep going. Now that you have everything compact and the right size, you're going to grab your hemp string and get about 2 feet of string. And then you're going to give it a nice little chop. And you're going to start in the middle, and you're going to make a nice tight knot, leaving enough of a tail to where you can add your crystals or your charms later. Make sure it's super tight, and then once you have that knot tied, you're going to start wrapping it around your bundle and crisscrossing a little bit. Just wrap it really tight. Make sure it's really compact. And you're going to leave about 1 inch on each end to make sure that you can smoke that area. So I went back and forth, and now I'm coming back into the middle, and in the middle is where I'm going to finish my tie. Once you have it nice and tight, you're going to trim the ends so it's super even. Make sure you're getting all those little pieces so it's very flat. I use just regular sharp scissors, but you could also use anything from the garden as well to cut your herbs. Then you're gonna go ahead and do the other side. So nice and compact now. And you've got your little tails for your string. So now I'm gonna add a tumbled quartz crystal to one side. And on the other side, I'm going to add a silver leaf charm. And there you have it, all done. It's ready for smudging. Make sure that you always take caution when using fire, but also make sure that when you're smudging, you are keeping an eye on that little smudge stick until it goes out. There you go. You have your own lavender smudge stick now. Be sure to subscribe, go ahead and like this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Have an awesome day.